I'm wondering, what are you guys most hopeful for or most excited about with respect to machine learning in 2022? I'd love to, or maybe if you want to share a prediction on where you think the space is headed in the next year, I'd love to hear some of that. Art, let's go to you, and then maybe Chris and Olcay after that.
What will be next? Transformers. Transformers right now replaced everything, like all the baselines, the classical algorithms. What will be next? I'm just curious in the future.
Chris, how about you?
Yeah, it's a great question. There's so many advances in so many areas. I guess if I was to take maybe an ML ops one, I'm interested in like how big a role like vector databases play in companies and seeing what use cases they unlock.
Right. So the question I'm very interested in is, what is the future of feature engineering when it comes to deep learning and applied ML? And I think on the one hand, you have people who want to declare feature engineering to be dead and outmoded, and then other people who say long live feature engineering. And it's an interesting area that I have some ideas about, and I want to see where they lead. And I feel like Uber is a great place to test out some of those ideas.
Yeah, I was just thinking when Olcay started talking about feature engineering, I was like, isn't the move for deep learning kind of doesn't require any of that? But obviously a lot of customers and a lot of prospects still see a lot of value in it. I think one of the questions I have is, as we see more and more of these like very large models, some people call it like foundational models, where you just take that big model and fine tune it to your task. And it obviously works really well in some tasks. But I'm curious to see, what does the future look like? Are we going to see more and more of those, call it pre-trained models or transfer learning approaches, or we're still going to see a lot of success with kind of blank slate modeling from scratch? So that's something I'm curious about.